Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Sugar Skull stamp set. Now, this is a 4x6 stamp set. It includes 5 different Sugar Skull images and 1 sentiment. Now, the largest image measures approximately 2¼ inches wide by 1 7/8 of an inch high, and the smallest image measures approximately 1 3/8 by 1 3/8. The sentiment approximately 2¼ inches wide by 1¼ inches high. I'm going to stamp these out for you real quick. Oftentimes it helps to see the images stamped, and the images are a great size, lots of fun to color, especially if you love bright colors. Now, I have a few samples to share with you, and we can't wait to see what you create with the Sugar Skull stamp set once you have it in your craft room. Be sure to share your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps Inspiration and Facebook group. Now, if you want to see more inspiration featuring the Sugar Skull stamp set, head over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. I also want to encourage you to check out the design team's social media and blog. Thanks for joining me for another product reveal. Be sure to click that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.